Hi, James and Angela from Fine and Country, and you've joined us here today in the heart of Royal Leamington Spa, where we've got this stunning 4 double-bedroom townhouse.
The property has a fantastic south-facing courtyard garden and the rare benefit of 2 parking spaces. So follow us and let's take a look around. You join us at the end of the tour in this sunny, private and peaceful garden. For more information or if you'd like to arrange a viewing, please contact us on the details that follow.